I bought the Byd 10 Honor flagship model at the end of April 2024. In May 2025, the high-speed engine was restricted and the whole vehicle shook violently, and could not drive. The speed dropped directly from 110 km/h to 40 km/h. The next day, it was sent to the Ford shop for inspection. After a day of inspection, the spark plugs, oil circuits, intake valves and other things that can be checked were all checked. It was suspected that there was a problem with the computer board. Now the computer board has been replaced, but the problem still cannot be solved. The vehicle has been placed in the Ford shop for a whole week for inspection and repair. No, let alone solving the problem. Even the cause of the problem cannot be determined. Now the store requires me to dismantle the engine for inspection directly after 1 year and 1 month. I dare to promise that I have maintained it in the Ford shop throughout the whole process, and there have been no accidents. The oil is only added by Sinopec. The engine is absolutely original and in normal use. The hybrid has only traveled 2,000 plus kilometers. There is such a serious problem that the engine needs to be disassembled for inspection. That's the sad end of supporting Chinese brands with real money.